You may have noticed out in your garden in the late spring or early summer that some of your geraniums are just not flowering well. Well, I'm with Larry Marbut out at Marbut's Greenhouses, and so you have some tips for us in case we're seeing some of that geranium budworm.
The geranium budworm also goes after petunias. And so here's some products that are very good at controlling those. And you really want to start in early July because that's when they start to show up.
Okay.
So these two products are called BT, Bacillus thuringiensis. They're a natural product, so very safe to use, but you need to do it on a regular basis because it doesn't have any long-lasting effects. Another product is pyrethrum, which will go after aphis also, and these are both quite safe products. And so if you have aphis along with budworms or cutworms, this is a good product to use.
So you heard it from one of the experts. They grow so many geraniums here at Marbut's. So really, you kind of come in, talk to Larry and his staff, and get rid of those budworms that have beautiful flowers in your garden. Thanks so much.
Thank you.